This is Home Channel News TV, and I'm Ken Clark, editor of Home Channel News. In uncertain times, homeowners are naturally drawn to products that provide peace of mind. Here at the Cummins Onan booth, that peace of mind takes the form of a new breed of portable and residential generators. We're here with Mahesh Narang, director of Cummins Onan. Mahesh, can you talk about the trends affecting the generator market?
The generator market, people are becoming more sensitive to the quality of products they buy. They want a reliable product, a name they can trust, and that's where Cummins comes in. We stand behind our brand. If you have a problem with your generator, we'll repair it within 45 minutes, and we bring the trust and the confidence for customers to use our products. And we think we see that as an increasing trend in the industry. People want a safe generator, a reliable generator, and a brand that they can trust.
How about ease of use? Can you talk about the trends in that area?
A lot of times when in areas where you have a lot of failures, people want seamless power. They don't want to touch the generator, they want the power, they want seamless transition from their electric grid to a generator. And that's where the residential backup line comes into play. We have a new generator, the RS12000, which is probably the best in the industry today. If the generator has a problem, it will call you and tell me, please call the service guy, I have this problem. If the power goes out, it will switch on to an automatic use. So we're bringing a lot of automation and seamless transition from one power to another.
Is there a story in portable generators here at your booth?
Yes. What I would say is that the power of Cummins is now portable. Right? We've been in business since 1919. You've trusted us in the Dodge Ram with the Dodge Ram engine. You've trusted us with generators for your $1 million RV, and we bring the same knowledge and expertise into the portables we design. We do build one of the finest portable lines in the industry, and we are just happy that you're giving us an opportunity to sell into the home backup segment.
I think we're going to take a look at some of them now. We're here with Mellissa Davis, the North American sales manager for Cummins Onan. Melissa, can you take us through some of the highlights here at your booth?
Sure. These are our two home site portables. The key features are voltmeter, 240 volt outlets as well as 120 volt outlets, DC power chargers. But probably the biggest feature we have is our engines and alternators. And the engines and alternators are either more horsepower than our competition, and our alternators are usually a grade G or H, where the competition is more like an F. So better quality, less returns, and therefore higher margins.
Melissa, can you explain the benefits of these inverter generators behind me?
Sure. The key feature is low noise, so the decibel rating is extremely quiet. In other words, you and I can have a conversation, it can run, and you don't have to strain your voice. Another key feature is a pure sine wave, so it's excellent for plasma TVs, computer systems. Import generators typically have a really rigid sine wave, which means over time it will affect your electronics.
Well, Melissa, good luck to you, and thanks for talking to us.